Sorry to bothering me. Oh my gosh. Okay, I can't even move. Why? Why am I not moving? Finally. Get some ammo. Why do I get two guns at the same time? Come on, that's just not fair. Finally, I get two pistols. Oh, I see someone. Got him. Got him. Alright, I'm gonna get this med kit real quick. I just got it. Let's see, I don't want that. I'm gonna take this. Scar is good. Crap. Okay, I'll take that shotgun. I just need one more med kit and then I'm good. I'll take that. Oh, I don't want that though. Oh shit, I hear some gunshots. I hear some gunshots. Oh, there's a battle over there. No, you're not getting me. You are not getting me. No, not today. Not today. Back away, sir. Back away. E. Oh, shit. Okay, we're back. Jeez. I'm gonna go in that portal right when I jump out. Why is it not letting me move again? God dang it. Okay, there. Jeez. It's glitched for some reason. Maybe because I'm recording. Wood chest. I'm taking that. Thank you very much. Oh, come on already. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, okay, okay. Wow, I just killed him. Need to get a med kit right now. I need to get a med kit. Bro, I'm dying inside. I really need a med kit. Hold up, let me drink minis real quick. No! Oh my god, bro. Are you freaking kidding me? Again, it's not letting me jump. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. There, bro. I think I just have to click my mouse and that works. Oh shit, I was gonna shoot me. I'm gonna get in there. Come here! Got him. Take that RPG, thank you very much. Is there battle in there? Oh, that's just a noob, bro. Got him. I'm gonna drop that shotgun, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna get that ammo, thank you very much. Such a bot, bro. You just ran and just like ran towards me and you literally look at me. Oh shit, okay. Really, bro? Your mom's strats. Why could they just pick any other user? After this one match, we're just gonna route the end. Route the end right here. Well, not right here, but like after this match, I think. Can you not bother me? I'm gonna grab that shotgun. You can never get me alive. Wahahaha. I'm gonna get this guy. Oh my god, there's too many people. I got that bandies. Okay, okay. Let me get this guy. How? Supply crate, supply crate. Oh, I almost got. Oh, I got him though. Okay, we're gonna wrap the end here.